Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Netflix watch history. So this is used if you want to remove the titles that you've already watched, so keep your viewing activity private or clean up your recommendations. So the whole process here is very simple and it only takes a few minutes. So to get started, open up your web browser and go to the Netflix website and then sign into your account if you haven't already. So once you're on the home screen, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then choose account from the menu. Next, scroll until you find the profile section, then select the profile that you want to manage, and then after that, look for viewing activity and open it. So this page will show a list of everything that has been watched on that profile. If you want to remove a specific title, simply click the hide icon next to that show or movie. If it wasn't finished, removing it from your viewing history will also remove it from the continue watching section. And if you'd rather clear your entire viewing history, scroll to the bottom of the page and select hide all and then confirm your choice. So keep in mind that the changes may not appear right away, and then Netflix usually updates your viewing history and continue watching section within about 24 hours. And then that is all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded or deleted your Netflix watch history. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.